In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Gmail account on PC and mobile. Create a new Gmail account. The first and foremost thing that you'll need to do is to create a new Google account. Google Mail is a service under Google, and creating a Google Mail alone isn't possible without a Google account. So just go ahead and click on the create account button. So as you can see in here, you can create a personal account for your child, or an account for your business or work. So just go ahead and click on for my personal use. Now in here, you'll need to enter your first name, and it's optional to enter your last name. Now on the next step, you'll need to enter your birth month, date, and year. After that, you'll need to enter your gender in this section and click on next to proceed with the next step. Now in here, you'll need to create a username for your Google account. You can create it yourself or just select from the suggested username given by Google. Now click on the next button to proceed with the next step. So in here, you'll need to create a password and confirm the password creation for your account. Once you're done doing this, you can just go ahead and click on next button. And here you'll need to enter your mobile number to be able to create a new Google account. Confirm your number by entering the 6-digit verification code sent by Google to your mobile number. After that, go ahead and click on the next button to proceed with the next step. And here, just go ahead and click on the skip button if you don't have any recovery email account, and click in here, just go ahead and click on the I agree button to proceed on creating your new Google account. Now that you have a new Google account, you can now access your new Gmail account. Now, for creating a new Gmail account on mobile, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and create an account using your mobile device. So just go ahead and select for my personal use again on this section. Enter your first name and last name in this section. Providing your last name is still optional when you plan to create an account using your mobile. Now you'll need to enter your birth date, month, and year along with your gender in this section before you can proceed with the next step. Now on the next step, you'll need to create a username for your Google account. So you can just create it yourself or just select from the suggested username given by Google. Make sure to enter a unique username to be able to proceed with your choice of username. Click on the next button once you're done and you have finalized your Google account username. Now in here, you'll need to create a password for your account. After that, just go ahead and proceed with this by clicking on the next button, scroll down and click on the I agree button, and you have now created a new Google account where you can access your new Gmail account. And that's how you can simply create a Gmail account on PC and mobile. The only difference that these two have is that on PC you'll need to enter your phone number and confirm it, while on mobile it's not needed anymore. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.